So I'm gaining on it. It's going really good. And I wanted to show one little trick I've been doing. So I can't leave this in when I put the last piece in because I wouldn't be able to get it out, and I don't want it in there when I oil. So what I'm doing is laying it in at an angle so that when I put like this piece in, which is the last one, I know I don't want to push it real tight. I don't want to make this so tight you can't get it in, but it gives me I can tilt it just right so it's a little bit snug, and then screw it in, and then I can test it. So it looks like I'll be able to get it in when I'm ready. So just a little trick. I'm doing that with the stone pieces too, even the small ones. Just slanting them so I know, like in this case. Otherwise it was hard to know how far do I push this in. So I just laid the stone in sideways, and I could snug up against it and then put this piece in. So just a little trick, slant them in there. So now that that's all in, now I'm going to set this aside in the other room where it's safer. And then I can finish off this area right here. So I'll need to cut my piece for right here and then somehow finish this off. So this one's too small. Just not going to do it. So I need a little bit bigger one. But closing in on it, this is the last corner. And then I think we could oil. Yeah, why not?